The voice pilot can be activated through two distinctive means. For quick access, use the push-to-talk button on your steering wheel. Simply press the button, wait for the signal tone, and give your command. If you press the button for an extended period, the external voice assistant will be activated, for example Siri or Google Assistant, depending on the phone that you have connected to your car. Additionally, you can use the voice pilot through the wake-up "Hey Porsche." This can be set up with the first-time visit when initially setting up your vehicle or afterwards via the PCM. Simply go to Settings and then click on Voice Pilot. Now, click on wake-up word "Hey Porsche." In the same menu, you will find more settings for the voice pilot. With an online connection, you have access to even more options. Please note that for the voice pilot to work, it is important that there is no active call, no reverse gear engaged, and no active park assistant activated. Furthermore, speak clearly at a regular volume, avoid lengthy pauses, and minimize disruptive noises by closing the windows. Let's try the voice pilot by pressing the push-to-talk button on the steering wheel. Keep in mind that with the push-to-talk button, the car will automatically listen to your command without you having to say the wake-up word "Hey Porsche." Navigate to Porscheplatz 1 in Stuttgart.
Start route guidance.
By the way, the voice pilot can detect whether the driver or the co-driver is speaking the command. "Hey Porsche, set the temperature to 21 degrees.
Temperature set to 21 degrees.
As you can see, the temperature has been changed only on my side of the vehicle. Of course, there are other things the voice pilot can help you with. For example, I like to use the voice pilot when listening to music and I want to hear a specific song. Note that for some voice commands, the online recognition feature is necessary. To enjoy full functionality, please ensure a stable connection. If the data connection is not sufficient, the voice pilot automatically switches to offline mode. There are several ways to stop the voice pilot. One way is to simply say cancel, or you can press the push-to-talk button on your steering wheel again when the voice pilot is listening to you. Alternatively, you can click on the X in the voice pilot overlay in your PCM. Now we're ready to use the voice pilot in your Porsche. If you're interested in getting to know your vehicle on a deeper level, feel free to watch our other spot-on videos and check out our YouTube spot-on playlist.